Top 5 kitchen tools for healthy meal prep. Starting strong with the Oricome vegetable spiralizer. Craving pasta but want to keep it healthy? Transform zucchinis into spirals of veggie goodness. Effortlessly create gluten-free spaghetti, bursting with color and texture. This handy gadget makes healthy eating a deliciously fun exploration. Next, precision meets simplicity with the Atexity digital food scale. Tired of guesswork in the kitchen? Achieve dietary goals with perfectly measured ingredients. Its sleek design and easy-to-read display ensure every meal is balanced beautifully, making meal prep a breeze for mindful eating. In third place, the Preppa Meal Prep Container Set, your on-the-go meal solution. Say goodbye to last-minute takeout. With these stackable containers, meal prep gets streamlined, keeping you organized and on track. Durable and microwavable, they elevate convenience while you savor healthy homemade meals. Also worth mentioning, the Consevicen Steamer Basket. Elevate your veggies with fresh flavor while preserving their nutrients. Its multi-use design fits any pot, making it essential for quick, health-focused meals. Experience the joy of crisp, vibrant veggies any day of the week. Ending on a high note with the oil sprayer for cooking. Transform your cooking habits with controlled oil application for less oily dishes. Perfect for roasting or salads, this compact bottle spritzes evenly, helping control calories without sacrificing taste. Experience the freedom of precise cooking. All links are in the description. Tap like to save this list.